Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Usukwini la izolo, uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa wemukele ireport ayithola from iCommission kaMadlanga nge-17 zikaDisemba 2025. Emveni kokuyemukela wayesethulela ukuthi ama-recommendations awatholile kwi-commission athe kunabantu where there is prima facie evidence against bona okudinga ukuthi udaba labo li-investigatwe. Wayesethi uqoka uMinister uFiroz Khachalia kanye no-National Commissioner ukuthi bobabili abahlanganisa i-task team ezobheka lolu daba ngokushesha futhi benze isiqiniseko sokuthi insolo ziyaphenywa kuya-investigatewa ukuze makukhona funeka aba-prosecute babhekane ne-prosecution. Umyalelo ke lo ovela ku-president. Amagama abantu okuyibona okuthiwa there is prima facie evidence against bona kudinga ukuthi ba-investigatwe yilaba. Hlangothini le-EMPD ususpended EMPD Chief of Police uCommissioner Julius Mkhwanazi, EMPD Officer uBafana Twala, EMPD Officer Adrian Mackenzie, EMPD Officer uKeisha Lay Stalls, Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Municipality former City Manager uDr Imogen Mashazi, EMM Fleet Manager or Proxy Mr. Chris Stein, EMM Head of Department of Human Resources Miss Linda Xasheka, EMM Head of Legal Advocate Kemi Behari kanye no Mr. Etienne van der Walt. Laba abantu ohlangothini lwe-EMPD nene kanye ne-Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Municipality okufuneka baphenye. Okusho ukuthi i-task team funeka iphenye because there is prima facie evidence against bona. Sekuthi ohlangothini le-SAPS ilaba abalandelayo: Major General Lesitsha Sinona, Major General Richard Shibiri, Brigadier Mbangwa Nkwasho, Brigadier Rachel Mancheng, Sergeant Fani Nkosi. Abanye balabantu akubhalwa amagama abo la ukuthi there is prima facie evidence against bona, ngakho kufuneka ukuthi there must be further investigations. Abakanikwa ngisho ithuba lokuba bazoziphendulela phambi kwe-commission. Kodwa i-commission inikiwe amandla kuma-terms of reference ukuthi uma kunodaba abalibonayo bangakwazi ukulirecommend ukuthi ali-investigatwe futhi bangasho bona ukuthi alinga-investigatwe alivele liyo-prosecute. Banawo lawo mandla njenge-committee. Ngakho-ke uPresident Ramaphosa ekuthe based on that. Kodwa lokho kushiya abantu be-concern ukuthi uMinister uSenzo Mchunu usala kanjani. Ngoba phela uMinister uSenzo Mchunu uyena wahlakaza i-political killing task team. Sila sikhona namhlanje kunaleya media briefing ngenxa leso sinqumo wasithatha yena. So usele kanjani yena? uGeneral Sibiya yena usele kanjani? Umbuzo abantu asalukhona emqondweni yabantu ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani. Ngabe uPresident useqalile na udlala ama-games uzama ukuvikela uMinister njenge-comrade lakhe na? Ngenhlahla uClement Manyathela usibuzele lo mbuzo ku-spokesperson kaPresident waphendula kanje. Ngicela uzwe la.
But I suppose what is frustrating, Vincent, is that the minister has made concessions at the Madlanga Commission. The president is not legally obligated to even follow any recommendations of the Madlanga Commission. So saying that he's waiting for that process to be concluded, I think, is a cop-out. Let's look at what the minister has conceded to. He has failed to consult before taking such a big decision to disband the PKTT. That's one thing that the Madlanga Commission has made it clear to him. He interfered in operational matters by instructing the National Police Commissioner to disband the PKTT immediately. He failed to even do a review of the task team before disbanding it. That compromised investigations because dockets got stuck at head office before they were sent back. Is that not serious enough for the president to say, I am not going to let you stay in office while taxpayers are paying your salary? I'm going to ask you to step aside because what you stand accused of and what you've just conceded to is quite serious, unless the president doesn't think what I've just mentioned is serious.
No, it is quite serious, and it is a concern to the president. That's why the president has placed him on special leave. He's not in charge of any portfolio or the police portfolio for that matter. But Clement, this is a political process, if you like. And the president is ensuring that before he acts, which he will do, and he will do so decisively, that he has given Minister Mchunu enough of an opportunity to go through due process, to have the commission conclude its work and make a finding that can then inform the president's action. I hear where you're coming from. All of those issues are issues of concern, but let's allow this due process to take place so that when the president does act, there is no complaint or issue of any form of unfairness.
There's no way that
any
the
court.
minister would complain that the president, you are unfair to me. When the president says to the minister, you took decisions that compromised investigations, you interfered in operational matters. Even if the minister says to the president, you are acting against me unfairly, there's no ground to stand on.
Well, Clement, so far as things stand, the president's view is let the minister answer.
Kekho umuntu ongacomplaina ekwiposition kaMinister Senzo Mchunu ukuthi kungathiwa awusesi uminister, you are not in charge of any portfolio, but uthola isalary yakho, your full salary nama benefits wonke wokuba uminister. Yini engakukhalisa? Ngoba mina noma ngathiwa kuzophela iterm yakho yonke ya 5 years uzohola mahala. Bangagangi ngathi labantu lento esho nje Vincent Magwenya yikho ukuthi upresident ufuneka acabanga why laba abanye angazange acabanga, why angashonga ukuthi nalabo abanye abanikwe ithuba bayoziphendulela ngoba lawa ngama recommendations futhi yena kade ngama recommendations ubuqinisele uClement. So yini engakhalisa uMinister Senzo Mchunu? Engamkhalisa nje yini? Ubani ongakhala ethola i-full pay yakhe plus nama benefits okuba uminister? eSouth Africa kulesikhathi esiphila kuso thina kukhokhelwa ominister ababili. Kukhokhelwa uMinister uSenzo Mchunu, kukhokhelwa uMinister Feroz Kachala, kukhokhelwa deputy minister abawu2. Ominister ababili. Yini ke ngakhalisa uMinister Senzo Mchunu? Noma ngathiwa le process iyaqhubeka iyadelay yakuphela 3 years kuyefana nje kuyi ngoba futhi nasekugcineni usazobuya uMinister Senzo Mchunu azokhuluma why maku Minister Senzo Mchunu fanele kulindwe i-commission iqede wonke umsebenzi wayo kodwa laba abanye funeka baphenywe. Kungani? Ngiyavuma mina mhlawumbe i-commission ayibhalanga lutho ngoMinister Senzo Mchunu. Kodwa sekhulumile phela sonke sizwile ukuthi kuthiweni nezinto ebekuphikisana ngazo lapha kwi-commission ebezikhulunywa sizizwile. Should kwakhona lokho akusho lutho ku-president. Lana kungenzeka ukuba these are just formalities nje ukuthi benze sengathi kukhona abakwenzayo. Yazi president ufuna uku-act as if khona into ayenzayo hayi ngoba ikhona ngempela kodwa ufuna kubonakala ngathi uyasebenza. Okanye le report yeMadlanga Commission kungenzeka na igcina isetshenziswa njengezondo commission report na, ngoba izondo commission report isisetshenziswa ukuthi mawuse siding noma ukwi-fiction emelene no President Ramaphosa bazokupersecute. Sizokhumbula ukuthi uGigabyte uDr Melusi Gigaba wathola idoctorate yakhe samjabulela, wahamba ama-interviews bambuza, waphahluka nje wakhuluma indaba ukuthi hayi inkinga nje ku-ANC zizande kakhulu after nje 2017 iNazarek emveni kokuba kukhona abantu abakhokhelwa. Lento yokuthengwa kwama-comrade namhlanje usecourt ngoba mawuphembene noPresident Ramaphosa usodila nawo. President Ramaphosa ke funeka simncome. Uyena president engimaziyo ukwazi ukuthatha izitha zakhe zonke azihlanganisa azibeke erumini eli1 isivumelane naye. I-opposition nawo manje i-MK ne-EFF kuphela. Konke lo abanye ubathathile wabeka erumini eli-1 naye. Even naye EFF kukancane im-oppose. Ingoba unalelo khona. Akandile ngomlomo kodwa uya-acta. Bonke abantu abebemelene noPresident Cyril Ramaphosa abekho manje. Baphi nje obaba uAce Magashule. Abekho. So asingangabe simqambela ngabe siyamsukela masithi upresident onga-act uya-acta kodwa akandile ngomlomo. Kodwa ufuna wazi mawumelene naye will suffer the consequences. Kungenzeka nawo ngoba uMinister Senzo Mchunu ischeme sakhe yonke lento ayenza wenza into nje kuze kubukeke sengathi kukhona akwenzayo kodwa hayi ngoba kukhona akwenzayo. Ngicela ukuzwa ngawe, ngicela ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho la comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Akushongo lot akube khona oboshwayo. Kuthiwe la there must be further investigation. Why ke engathi no there must be a further investigation edabeni lika Senzo Mchunu. Noma uyakujabulela ukuthi uMinister Senzo Mchunu uhola mahala. Ngoba nje behlele ehola, njengoba ngisho nje manje ukuthi kubhadala uMinister ababili kwiportfolio eyodwa. Bese kuthiwa iSouth Africa ayinayo imali. Gcineni kosuku nje kuthiwa iSouth Africa ayinamali. Idingo azifika kahle ebantwini. I-Department of Health ibe underfunded. Department yamaphoyisa kodwa kube bekwazi ukukhokhela uMinister ababili. Kuhamba kanjani kahle kahle? Ya ingakho ngicela ukuzwa ukuphala kakho. Kungenze kuba khona into engayiqondi mina. Kodwa mhlawumbe wena uzoyiqonda kangcono. Kodwa nami umbuzo wami othi kungani uMinister Senzo Mchunu beno General Sibiya besele? Why kungashongo ukuthi there must be further investigation? Why benga-investigatwa? Ngoba investigation yona ezokhipha iqiniso. Why fanele kulindwe i-commission iziqede umsebenzi wayo before kuthathwa inyathelo ezithize mayelana no Minister Senzo Mchunu? Ngaba abadlali yona ipolitiki? Asiyibambe ivideo. Angiyibambe ivideo ngempela, ngicela ukuzwa ukuphala kwakho. Mina nawe bese sidibana kwivideo elandelayo, ngiyabonga.